morning. The grind doesn't stop. Saturday morning, I gotta drive down to the city, do a maintenance on a couple of rooftop units, I think. Makeup air, exhaust fans, some other shit, some roof shit. Got the inside stuff knocked out yesterday. So, yeah. And I asked him if I could come back today, and I told him I wouldn't charge him no overtime. My overtime rate is $2.25 an hour. For those who didn't know, also a semi-professional roof dryer. So if you need someone to come out at 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m. and dry your roof off, I may be the guy for you. Yeah. Anyways, so just to let you know my extra services that I also provide. All right, this is the first time on this roof. We'll have to try to do a little fin straightening, that's for sure. Makeup air said something about that thing wasn't working good. Just pop it open, have a look. Not good, not bad. Not bad for a 2006 unit. It's not horrible. I gotta make sure you check though. Look how plugged that coil is. I don't bring the coil jet on the roof because it's too fucking bulky. But I like this little guy. This one's nice. When it works. When it works, it's good. Like right now. That's working pretty good. I'll fuck with that. Dude, I tried to fin comb that. It's so fucked. It's so fucked. So fucked. Hit that motherfucker. Hit that with the old skippity pat, bud. Yeah.